In Zeal Group of Management Institutes, we have programs such as Master of Business Administration, that is MBA, and MCA, that is Master of Computer Application. All these programs are AICTE approved and have been recognized by STPU, are attached to STPU, that is Savitribai Phule Pune University. We have excellent hold over the curriculum that is being offered, and in addition we are also offering SAP to students, that is ERP modules are being offered to students, which strengthen their knowledge in terms of technology as well. So they are very well equipped to actually to step out and get into the industry. Okay. So these are, basically MBA, MCA programs and ERP, which is being offered.
Okay. What are the factors that make this program best for the student to opt?
All right. There are so many factors which I would like to talk about, but briefly I will try and highlight the very important factors which are very important for students to opt for MBA, MCA program. Basically, you may have any degree, but you should be corporate ready. And we make every student corporate ready. We try and see that they get the real life examples in their classrooms, and the preparations that we do through academics secure them excellent placements by which their entire future is secured. So every student who aspires to get into MBA and MCA program, when he gets enrolled in a Zeal Group of Management Institutes, he is prepared from the day one to become a good corporate citizen. And everything that we do is to groom the students to become good corporate citizens.
Okay. Moving on to the next question, ma'am. What will you say the best practices in the courses you are offering?
All right. So the best practices that we actually have are many. I will list out one by one. First thing, to start with academics. When we start the academics of MBA students, we see to it that they are actually given 1 week of induction program, wherein we bring them at par with all the faculties. That is, their mathematical skills are improved, their English communication is improved. Also, we give them a lot of insights on how to actually deal with each and every class when the entire syllabus begins. So this 1 week long rigorous induction program first prepares them to get into the management faculty. Secondly, all these programs are professional courses. So we see to it that the students also become professional in maintaining decorum when they actually are on the campus, or even today when they are attending online, they have to maintain the entire decorum as if they are sitting in the office.
Okay.
Thirdly, there are many live projects and case studies that we deal in the class. Our entire curriculum is actually is case-based learning, and this case-based learning prepares students to deal with real-life situational problems that arise when they actually step into the industry.
Okay. Moving on to the next, what are the valuable insights of your program that you are offering at your institute?
Basically, first thing that we have here is, which is very, very unique, which many institutes are not able to offer, is we have students participating in global projects. It's not only that we have projects from India, but we have projects that we get from many other countries, and they do joint projects with other institutions. Secondly, there is a very unique thing that we are offering to students. which is named as Global Classroom. During this session, they attend classes with other universities from other countries. Like in the next week, we have a global classroom that is happening with a university from Mauritius. So both the universities will come together. Our institute and an institution from Mauritius will come together, and we will hold a combined classroom for the students. Now, this allows them to actually have excellent exchange of thoughts from and they get a perspective of another country to solve the same problem. Thirdly, we have excellent club activities. We have as many as 10 clubs, which allow students to do a lot of extracurricular activities. Like, sports club. Not only that, they would conduct sports events, but they will have interviews with the sports personalities. Last week, we had one Guinness Book of World Record holder, Mr. Mahajan, who spoke to students as to how he achieved this Guinness Book of World Record by doing cycling from Kashmir to Kanyakumari in just 1 week. So this is how students actually are groomed, groomed almost from the 360-degree angle. Also, we encourage the students to do a lot of advanced certifications in their own areas or in their own areas of interest. So this allows them to actually go beyond even the curriculum that is prescribed by university. So these are certain valuable insights from our program which we offer to the students.
Okay. How do you train yourself and your faculty members to deliver this program to the students?
Yes, very important question indeed. Basically, to give the best to the students, we have to keep on training continuously, and we need to sharpen our access all the time. And that is what we do for our faculty members also. Our faculty members have attended several faculty development programs, which include programs from IIMs, IIM Ahmedabad, and many other renowned institutions. In the last semester itself, 25 Atal certifications, which are recognized by AICTE, were secured by the team of all the faculty members. So each faculty holds at least 1 or 2 Atal certifications. This helps them in keeping in touch with the industry, in keeping in touch with the new pedagogies of teaching, and they are able to excel in their own fields, and they are also able to give the same knowledge to students.
Okay. How do you tend to build an industry connect with this program?
Okay. See, this industry connect is something which has to be done continuously, and this is what we do through several initiatives. Now, the first initiative, of course, everyone has is industrial visits. But during COVID, when nobody else was able to do industrial visits, we came up with a unique idea of virtual industrial tour. Now, through this particular initiative, our faculty members, just about 2 faculty members, visited a company, their factory premises. By maintaining proper social distancing, they actually showed the entire company live to students on Microsoft Teams. Not only that, when students had any questions related to what they were seeing, those questions were answered by company officials online. So this is one initiative which actually has kept us, even we have been able to defeat these problems that are arising because of Corona, because we are coming up with innovative techniques all the time. Now, apart from this, we also get a lot of live projects for students. And these live projects keep students updated with what is happening in the industry. So these students are allocated the live projects, and faculty members also guide the students for these live projects. Definitely, even when we teach the case studies, we always see to it that these case studies are latest, and we also try to see to it that students bring the latest data regarding the company in discussion. Apart from this, of course, we have a lot of guest sessions that happen, which are wherein the guests are drawn from industry, and they are all top-notch officials. When a guest session is fixed, we always have a criteria that all the guest speakers are from a very senior management level, and they come and discuss the industry perspective with students. So these are certain initiatives which actually build industry connect with the students.
Okay. Ma'am, what are the challenges that you have faced while including these programs in your curriculum?
Oh, yes, right. The major challenge, first of all, that we face is about, variety of students that we get. So when it comes to MBA or MCA program, we get students who have different backgrounds. Some of them have engineering background, some of them commerce, some of them, science, BBA, BA, everything. So when these students come together, they don't have basic knowledge of management. So we have to first groom them properly to actually get oriented towards this program. So that is one. Second challenge that we can say is COVID, of course, at the moment. That is a major challenge for all educational institutions. However, for us, we have adapted to the technology excellently. And that's why we try and bring the same feel to the students as if they are attending a physical classroom. Yeah.
Okay. You just mentioned about live projects. So I want to know what are the types of live project that students are working on through this program?
Okay, sure. See, just now 25 of my students are working on a project called Nusantara project. Now, this is a global project that we have got. Sorry. Sorry. So this is Nusantara project. It's a global project that we have got, wherein students from 5 different nations are working in a group on different companies from different countries. So they get a project through a project wherein they are supposed to provide the solutions regarding the problems faced by different companies. Apart from this, we have certain projects which are related to digital marketing, which we are able to offer to students, wherein students do content development, students get the feel of how to handle a client's social media handle, or do Google business listing, and so on. So there are variety of projects that we normally get for students, and these are certain examples of what projects we have got recently.
Okay. What are the benefits and career option after pursuing this course?
Okay, when students come for either MBA or MCA, they have variety of career options, of course, in the fields of specialization such as finance, marketing, HR, operations. Now they have introduced business analytics also. For MCA program, they can become they can go into testing, or they can go into development. So all these career options are available, but mainly what they get to do is they can either become a research, they can get into research, or they can get into banking, financial services, branding, human resource in maybe IT field or in recruitment or training and development. There are numerous opportunities. Actually, you name the industry and you will find a job for an MBA or MCA student, MCA graduate. So there is actually ample opportunity in enormous opportunities in various fields.
Okay, moving on to the last question, ma'am. What is the
Yes.
message that you want to give to the students who want to join your institute?
Oh, okay. My message would be your future is our vision. So if you have decided that you want to do anything in management, and if you want a great, bright, global future, global career, then Zeal is the place.
Okay, ma'am. That's all for the day, ma'am. Thank you for having
Thank you.
us with here and taking out some time out for the interview. It was a wonderful
Thank
session
you.
having you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.